In this tutorial, we'll learn about subject areas and how they help answer business questions in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Subject areas in Oracle FDI are pre-built, business-friendly views of data. They group related information and put it into categories like finance, HR, or supply chain. Within a subject area, there are measures, attributes, and hierarchy folders, making it easy for business users to build their own data analytics and reports without technical setup. The subject areas I have access to depend on which FDI subscription I have in my Oracle instance. I can check these by opening my home page and selecting the navigator, then Data. Within Data, the subject areas I have access to are noted by purple icons in the Type column. This area also contains the names and a brief description of each subject area. When I right-click on one, I can start building visualizations by clicking Create Workbook. If I want to explore all subject areas across FDI, I'll look at Oracle's Help Center to see what is available. For example, I want to look at a functional area. So on the Fusion Data Intelligence page, I will select Fusion ERP Analytics under Reference, and then select Subject Areas. If I want more detailed information about the types of questions answered by subject areas, I can download the zip file. In the zip file, there is an HTML link file, which contains the full list of all subject areas available. If I click on one of these, like AP Payments, I'll see a description of the subject area, along with business questions this subject area answers, like what is the average supplier payment days by business unit? FDI makes it easy for business users to quickly access their data and build reports by using pre-built subject areas. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.